Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about butterflies. Butterflies are a kind of insect, and all insects have three body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. All insects have 6 legs, and all insects have antennae. Not all insects have wings, but butterflies do. And different types of butterflies have different colors of wings, different shapes of wings. Here are some that live on our continent and in our country. A monarch is found all throughout the United States. And there's the caterpillar. The black swallowtail is found in all areas but the very far west, so these would be found in New York. A cabbage white is found throughout the United States. A dog-faced butterfly is found throughout the South, and it migrates through the Midwest to the Northeast in Canada. So we might see some of those here once they're migrating. The common blue can be found in the western part of the United States, so maybe not in New York. And the buckeye is found in most areas of the United States except for the Pacific Northwest, so we might see a buckeye butterfly in our area. These are some of the different types that are found near us, and I actually saw a monarch butterfly in my yard yesterday. So I wonder if it was migrating, if it had just laid some eggs. I don't know. Let's talk about the different parts of the butterfly. Here's a picture of a butterfly. A butterfly is an insect that goes through a complete metamorphosis. Its life begins as an egg. A caterpillar hatches from the egg. The caterpillar continually eats, grows, and molts. When it has grown big enough, it molts for the last time. Then its outer layer of skin hardens and becomes a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. It emerges from the chrysalis and flies away to find a partner. After butterflies mate, the female lays eggs on a plant that her caterpillars can eat. Remember, that's called the host plant. So that's the whole butterfly. The head. In this picture, just the head is colored. Just the head. The head of the butterfly is very small. It is attached to the thorax by a narrow neck. Most of the head is covered by a pair of enormous compound eyes. Inside the head is a sucking pump that pulls in liquids through the proboscis. See the eyes? The big eyes on the butterfly? The eyes of a butterfly are compound. They allow it to see in many directions at the same time. Compound eyes are made of many facets. Each facet has a lens that sends an image to the brain. Compound eyes are excellent for seeing motion. The antennae of a butterfly are located between the eyes. See, the antennae are colored orange. They are long and end in a club shape. Sensory organs and nerve cells in the clubs transmit smell and touch to the brain. That's how they can know what's going on around them, using their antennae. The proboscis is the mouth of the butterfly. It is located between the eyes. See this long, it's kind of like a tube coming out below the antennae. It is like a flexible straw. The butterfly sucks in liquid food such as flower, nectar, fruit juice, sap, carrion, dung, and mud. When the butterfly is not eating, it curls its proboscis into a tight coil. And here's the thorax part. The thorax consists of 3 segments which are covered by hairy scales. The thorax supports very strong muscles and tendons that enable the butterfly to flap its wings and to fly for many hours. So the thorax is what the wings are attached to and what the legs are attached to. Butterflies can fly for many hours at a time. A butterfly has a pair of legs on each segment of the thorax. The legs have 5 jointed sections. The last section ends in a claw. The butterfly hangs onto flowers and vegetation with its claws. The last section of the legs also has taste sensors. The female butterfly uses these sensors to locate a plant that will provide the right food for her eggs when they hatch. So, like all other insects, butterflies have 6 legs, 3 on each side. There are 2 pairs of wings on a butterfly. They are attached to the second and third segments of its thorax. The wings are made of 2 clear membranes with veins in between. The veins support the wings. The membranes are covered with overlapping scales. The scales have pigments that give the wings their distinctive colors and patterns. The abdomen, the other body part, this part here, the abdomen of the butterfly is cylindrical. Its segments are covered with scales and hairs. The abdomen holds the digestive tract and the reproductive organs. The butterfly breathes through spiracles, which are tiny pores located on the sides of the abdominal segments. So they breathe through their abdomen. So that's it. So just like other insects, here's a more simple drawing. They have a head, a thorax, an abdomen. They have 6 legs, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 antennae. They have a mouth and a head. This is a picture of an ant, but an ant is another type of insect without wings. So a butterfly has similar body parts, but they also have the wings. There's a little song to help us remember the parts of the insect. It goes like this. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Eyes and mouth, antennae too. And 6 legs, and that's an insect for you. Thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Eyes and mouth, antennae too. 6 legs, and that's an insect for you. Abdomen, abdomen. Abdomen, abdomen. Eyes and mouth, antennae too. 6 legs, and that's an insect for you. Eyes and mouth, antennae too. 6 legs, and that's an insect for you. And mouth, antennae too. 6 legs, and that's an insect for you. Antennae too. 6 legs, and that's an insect for you. Six legs, and that's an insect for you. And that's an insect for you last time. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Head, thorax, abdomen, abdomen. Eyes and mouth, antennae too. 6 legs, and that's an insect for you. All right, well, I hope you have a wonderful day and be on the lookout for butterflies. See you soon. Bye.